story. There's possible relief in store for depositors in stressed banks. The cabinet has cleared a bill wherein the bank depositors will get 5 lakh insurance on their deposits within 90 days in case of a moratorium. 98.3% of all deposits will be covered. That's what the government has said. Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, held a press conference a short while back, and that press conference came a day after the IMF slashed India's economic growth projection to 9.5% for financial year 2021-22.
First 45 days will go for the bank which is now in distress to collect all the accounts where the claims will have to be made, and then it will be given to this insurance company, which in real time will check it all up, and nearer the 90th day you will get the money, or in and around the 90th day you will get the money. At least by 90th day, 90th, 91st, 95th, whatever. Within 90 days the process will be definitely completed, and not waiting for the eventual liquidation or not even waiting for the eventual resolution. Suppose somebody else comes and takes the bank and the bank is revived again also. But if that process takes, let's say 3 years, 4 years, we are not waiting for that. This will give relief 90 days and immediately after that.
All right, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu to understand what this bill essentially means. Sunil, first, when is this bill expected to be tabled in Parliament? And second, I believe this insurance covers all banks, not just public sector banks.
That's right. It's all banks, all commercial banks, as you rightly pointed out. The question, of course, is does it cover all the money? No. Suppose you have 10 lakhs of rupees. The insurance is only for 5 lakhs. So that needs to be understood, but it is definitely a big jump. It's a path-breaking legislation which will be introduced in this session because it increases from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. Initially it used to be 50,000, it became 1 lakh. Now from 1 lakh it's gone to 5 lakhs. Another important change is that while it covers every possible bill, there is another separate act which is being brought, and that relates to insurance, which has not been officially announced, but this will ensure that general insurance companies, be it Oriental Insurance, be it National Insurance and others, the government stake was earlier capped at 51%. Now that will be removed. It will not be there in the act, which will allow basically foreign investors up to 74% to come in and help these sectors, especially the insurance sector, in terms of finances. So these are the two big important decisions that have been taken by the Finance Ministry today.